What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we recently just hit 100 subscribers and I'm so freaking grateful for all of you guys. Thank you so much. As you guys can tell by the title, we got some more carbon fiber. Let's do it. So, I'm looking at the car. Honestly, I don't hate it. I just don't love it. I've kind of just been getting a little bored with the front end. Just looking at it every day and seeing the stock grills, and I'm not loving the front lip anymore. And, you know, change is good. I really don't love it, but we're gonna go with some change anyway. I really like the V-brace. I think just kind of wrapping that here and there with different colors looks really good. But yeah, it's time for some change. So like I said, I don't love it. I don't hate it. It's cool. I mean, I've been looking into a conversion, maybe an M2 style conversion. I probably won't do that. I was looking into it anyway, but who knows. I'm probably not going to do that. It's just a thought that I just don't really love the front end. So we're going to go with some change, add some carbon. You know, change is good. Hopefully this is like, you know, makes me a little more satisfied with the front. I love the back so much. It just looks so good. The carbon accents just make it pop so nicely. So having some real carbon fiber on the front as opposed to just a wrap, hopefully make it a lot better. And who knows? I say I'm not gonna get the M2 bumper. Maybe, maybe not. I really should. I know I got to chill with car stuff, but who knows? Alright, so I hope you guys know how to, you know, access the grills. Simple as take this weather strip off. You got 6 screws, and then, you know, a little pro tip. When trying to access the grills, don't be afraid to just rip at the bumper. Just pull that thing back. You're not going to break it. First time doing this, I was literally so nervous, and then you just kind of start to see this has got a lot of give, got a lot of takes. You just literally rip at this and get your hand in there. It's a tight fit, but I hope you guys already know that. But if you don't, you know, pro tip. Out with the old and in with the new. I'm trying to get a good comparison for you guys. And honestly, the vinyl wrap looks really good. The gloss looks just as shiny as the carbon fiber does. I mean, obviously, like up close and personal, you can tell it's just a wrap. But it looks really good. Say no more to the stock, but so honestly, I'm pretty impressed with the vinyl wrap. I mean, you can tell it's not real carbon. But it looks pretty good. Damn, they're messing up my shot. Alright, dude. We got the cat over here biting at my ankles for attention. Hey! You rascal. Alright, you got all the attention in the world. Literally coming over here nibbling at my ankles to get attention. Alright, at least you're a good looking kitty. So, all in all, as you can tell, it's the little things that go a long way. You know, it's the little subtle things that, you know, most people won't notice, but I would notice. You would probably notice as you watch these videos. I mean, it's these little subtle things that I look at the car every day. It's stock as can be up front. I don't really love the front lip. The grills were getting kind of old. Knowing it's not real carbon, it's like, so, you know, change is good. I just kind of, like I mentioned, I'm really getting sick of the front end. It looks good. I mean, no little things are going to go a long way to make it a little bit better, spice it up a little bit. So, who knows? Maybe an M2 style front conversion. I don't know. The front bumper is just, it's love-hate. I don't love it, but, you know, it is what it is. But I want to thank you guys all for watching.
Or 3 years, maybe. And I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make